Assalamualaikum children. I am Miss Ghazal. How are you children? I hope by the grace of God you all will be fine. Children, today we will read the Phonic Reader 2. Now open the book. Children, open the page number 3 and unit number 1. Now read with me. A P-A-N pan, I-N-N, V-A-N van. A pan in a van. A pan in a van. IT-it, I-S is a F-A-N fan. It is a fan. It is a fan. IT-it, I-S is M-Y my, P-A-N pan. It is my pen. It is my pen. Children, I hope you will understand that how can we read this page. You have to study this page again and again by watching this video. Children, your home assignment is English, lesson number 3, read page number 3. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.